2004 Kia Spectra. Finished primer, sanding, getting ready for paint. So, a lot of lessons learned from this one. I applied 3 2-in-1 sandable primer Rust-Oleum coats, blocked it down and sanded it with a 500 grit sandpaper. I hand sanded it on a with a rubber block. Let everything dry. Then I went over it twice with a just a regular automotive primer. It's a little bit lighter. And then I just let that dry as well. Now I'm going straight to paint using Duplicolor Universal Silver Metallic. It's the closest I could find with the 6C paint code for this Spectra. So anyway, lessons is simply make sure you throw enough primer on there, block it down, and fill in any of the rubber because this is a plastic bumper. And just for my other note, I attempted to blend in that primer a little bit into that panel. I used 1,000 grit sandpaper and 2,500, and we'll see what the finished product is in a little bit. And I use rubbing compound to get a lot of those finer scratches out. And I'm just going to do about one or two coats over this. And maybe the paint will hide some of those scratches. Maybe it won't. We'll find out.